sasiso emenijie Ajuma yesimini aketi enti usumu asumyo aduna ebema wanya aketi apa ewa sasiso Ewiasimu basum na wansum ye die fanyina mase wansum bisa usum ye maketi apo eni enijie ti sompa die e maketi apa sompa die sasiso emenijie Sompa FM Sompa TV maketi apo sompa die e menijie Wafidi ene tu sompa
Ebreno enya wiedu abusua sompa nonsia atwaso mienu seye alpha omega yebeka se nonsia mo omega kase ebo no ebraso ewo sompa fie 106.5 FM Accra abusua enya free hey no eno an nam 93.1 asantema yaji atum ehwada braka headquarters ho no ayiko 100.9 so agibi wo de ma asantema kingdom nankasa adamfo pa radio France abrochimemu waje Edema adesha womo pari ne monten so 101.1 sompa kwa na no wahene champion DJ Kemo ene sompa press mo se womo pagya soa etopetema nso yemu nyina wo munye somfa so ni 103.3 takra de sompa 106.1 techima de no 90.7 ene nso yankranza sompa ne nyina wo bono na pu efam afa bono ahenkuru no 98.9 lagibe kwa na abro sanum night market hwa Ebrekro na many masase paso do mahinkru 101.3 sompa 100.7 do ma FM wono nso afa wotopete makodi buafo nyina enya bi kene so ben radio live for ho teacher Johnson ene Paloma mo uduru nkwanta wotini na afa wo mo biebie de atum decoder no so abusua ba FM stations no wono ya no wa hwen sompa FM benya afi sompa 106.5 FM Accra Facebook ensam ne nyina enenam ho na nasafo kantanka so wode ye kwani obetime de wadwenkyira fa ho eno na obidi na woda nso kra de fa ho yetime kenkan edema no YouTube no Sompa FM live abrochirefo nyina enna wo mode nam www.sompaonline.com ensem yura taboaten wakyekere de akwa akoto na anwumre midimafo heba center ekuta yemu ene ye ba wode tamato kase no so na yemfa ya se ho nhye abenti just hot kinky they just bread and pastries for one maye wodome commercial bank na echi no wono nso kutayemu afi Dr. Tafri Jedro time heba mixture enne echi no ba part time no kan yen ho na Pepsodent se yeni mienu wo yen so a ma enye Pepsodent ya Pepsodent chaku anase ne heba no ni nyina eye adwuma ne se hunti utwi anopa ende dodo na atwi na mama nwumira na fankese na wiretimi firi won ho esanse won fanka ne nhyehyɛ ho enti Pepsodent se oral hygiene opese onya do the two fatwi anopa afe wadidi awi a wo kwa akoda awewiwi de abawi nyina awi a ese de aduru na yemu no ya no watwi na emu ada ho wokan yen ho ene yeba anwumire ensem no de abete ansana na watwi ne mu nyina de aba no ebi ne se
His Excellency John Kwame Dramani Mahama de atudwa echem se wo man Ghana yetimi se dade enwumaku awuro bebre na enye won se ebetima tene yensem ama no aka ebibremu adwumayefo
sada ena wosansam kro na hono ye bebone na afi ye wuram na unimu se Ghana ye ne bokena sese ye hwane ntiase apam bia makon so ebeboa ma akobadie eni dwadie ayeboko
na abai ahye Sarfo no anohwe sikasem suo e de atu nanim e kire se efi enne ereko eye niema ye difa eye efem te se bia fango ana bia enwo ye de nam fem ade ko obi man so no ye twam sesei ye de sa niema ni nyina ebefa eye insuo so
na sadia na kokko akuafo wo mo tete bi ma ban ye wi akase ebo mu kura no akuafo bi e wo sa wi oso na afa be chese ebinu ba ho MPP fo ne se wo mo enko demonstration nanso wo mo de anko bi no ye wura mama yarega wabua wo ma no ene afoforo ene yaboa no e de brew se no nsiabrem anwumre kase ebo afofidie ene memene da anwumre wakenkamfo etripo e ma ya japia pam dada mene odifo
nana opon checheku afei petakre no asum na ensem no yemfamre mu sei yedem enu ti di echi Facebook page ne so na afei won so fa nkra to nyina afa to ho udu onu ma ye bese no like no wa share no do comment account bi di ato ho ebre sem ye beto ye bo asna fia kenka ni nyina e de amamo afei ye mfi kase no asen His Excellency John Kwame Dramani Mahama de atodo akiremu se Ghana hanum se ye hwe nwumaku ahoro a omo ye nade a se ye timiam ye ni akoho pa na etuani asisu yi a eyade ebetima boa yen ama eye ebibremu anum se inkura ahoro ni bi a etwe ehu ahia no ye betimi amane nade bi e de free anum se de amomo na edwadie etimi ama oman Ghana ye sikasem apem e de akonanim wodi nsem ye kokotu dwa ebra okoko piemu ewo eye enwumaku a eye nade ibie B5 Plus Limited ho ena wodi nsem e de kokotu dwa na enum na wo kasa de atudwa akiremu se Ghana hanum sei enwumaku awuro ni bebre na ba Ghana hanum sei omutimi bom homoden eba be ye nade enwuma ewo Ghana ha nanso enam se yentimi mfa ye ni enko honum na yemfa emwa bia nkonko hye eye wo munyumadi awuro na omudie mu nintinu aye edu bia na fo mo so ma hoden no akofem wodi atudwa akiremu se sesi ye kasei na ban no abon homoden edi sika pudro be ye $110 million ena wo hwe dia ba bewura eye enade enwuma ye ewo Ghana hanum sei emfimpimienu ene ye duonu nsia akohoma sika ayede ba kotudwa ewo manmra hye bedefie wakasa dia tudwa chemi sei san hyehyɛ wenu ni nyina no ebe ye hyehyɛ ya ebe bewura eye 24 hour enwumaku a wo pese wode ba ede ba beboa Ghana na afenso no yensa etiminya adwuma aye wose bibremu anum sei no ye hwe ekwan a infrastructure timi man hom ne so eboa yen ewo ye kwagedie ene adwimadie mu a beye $100 billion it is a Ghana ha ye timi afa sa adwumadie we de asi ani so na ya ubowura baby ye timi ye kwan ye timi ensa wo so bridges ahohoro ne afoforo eka ho bie it is ye timi ye nade enso de ka ho bia e yade betima boa yen pa na fe yen sub bridges e wa Africa hanum sei nu ya hwe ye timi ya supply mu enade.
Africa is projected to require over $100 billion annually in infrastructure development. West Africa alone faces significant infrastructure deficits. If Ghana develops a strong steel base, we not only build our own roads and bridges, we will also supply steel to the whole sub-region. This is how infrastructure becomes industrial strategy. The 24-hour economy program is particularly relevant to energy-intensive industries such as steel manufacturing. And I had the honor and privilege yesterday to sign the 24-hour authority bill into law. And I know that B5 Plus Group is one of the first companies that will register under the 24-hour economy initiative. The allocation of 110 million Ghana cedis in the 2026 budget to operationalize the 24-hour initiative program reflects our seriousness.
We Ghana man penny His Excellency Yera John Dramani Mahama.
Na man penny akasawie no ana uramra se badwafia dom kase e wo badwafi ho wo mo ba no deni urama ama yarega wono nso edne de ebeto so na ne nkasa no nyina na ye de kokwa akuafo bi wo mo asa se ye oyekire ya asahwiyo so ene bia afa ho nyina wo mo ka won ho bo mu a na wo mo ye kire bia enura mu ye de to wo so ma enne nso kra awia kase ebomu ebisan bobo ba ya akuafo no bi be chese wo mo hu ne se ye sonomba ne bi ne ba ye be ka jam se wo mo pese wo mo ka wo masem ma wo mo nti wo mo mfro kai wo mo nje 100 cedis e bi kura ji 200 na wo mo ni akire mo nkoye demonstration se de be na wo masem no mpanimfo be hu sampa wo mani abre na sasemi don kase no ba no de ni ura ma yarega yi wo mo ano ene wo chese chance na wo manwena na se kukuo no ne mu ya so pepepepepe ena wanweno de aba eno no wo de aba bebo so chese se ye ka kokko akuafo no a ewom sese hwe so dwabo so ne bia fa ho wo mo yobidie nanso wo mo de no nko antimi mpusu kramoche ye ne nti wo mo yesa wo ye kire no na wo de wo hu ni pefe se we eya amanyosem na wo ma so da anweno ede ahye wo mo ensase wo mo nyo nti atise de wo mo de ye drama bi eba ne sa se de kampanimfo be fa ne serious no wo mo hu ne sa.
I can assure you that the demonstrators, we know who they are. We know who they are. We know who the demonstrators are. We know who the demonstrators are. And we know their real motivation. We know their real motivation for demonstrating. And we know that genuine cocoa farmers know that there is a world crisis. And that world crisis is definitely going to affect their bottom line, which is the income that they will earn from the cocoa sector. You cannot give what you don't have, even if you promised it. Even if you promised it, you cannot give what you don't have, because what you are proposing is what you did, and you collapse the economy of Ghana. You put cocoa board in debt over 36 billion Ghana cedis. Over 36 billion Ghana cedis. In terms of the debt that you push cocoa board into.
Show 36 billion. And they car one de share cocoa board or we or the son of one and sana almost so dear. And we now must share we have what she said one demonstration. And then our boss, we know who they are. Nature so woman in warm, no woman in one way tower machi. And he wobble winning no. Now no what they swear don't command so nature say car one de up to cocoa board ho and yaka kuma. Enti akuafo genuine kase ne mu se de asi no enye mampani na ayo wiase nyina enti agya madu mo ne papa opremu de wo mu nim se oh mama waye bi se obetwa kokoo no gui kura ma yentimba me eduai ene na asase a yeso yi enti sa ha we no e wo se ye boy aboso na wo ma anya akuafo no e na asori a wo mu de amanyosemachi eye de wo mu wi
yentua kase no eso enkrata afri eye abamu ne titiriu Sarfo no anohwe yesikasem so yewura doctor Kesel atofo se ho de ababetudwa kiremu se efie ne ereko aban de atudwa kiremu se niema ni titiriu eye oil awohoro a yede nam kwantempon so ene etimi soa fango ne nam kumase tamale na ababepiem ewon kran wo mo se ne omatwam ye ne ya direct sanyema ni nyina de akokopiem ewo eye eposo a sese opesa nyema na eposo anebekwa kofa ebetima boa kra ma eposo sikasem so etimi akonanim kakra Sarfo edi atato kira ekyeresa na wo se sese yi yehwe sikapudro a ayam pembebre na no etimi ehire wo monsase ewo niema na ni titiri oil a enam fem edi kokopiem ewo ye obi manso no wo kyese wo soro wo se 2.6 million ena kyesa ya afebia ne yehwemu a sasika etimi bunkam edi fa eye over 85 million Ghana cedis so enti sa omo ba betena sa ye hwehan sa ade ebe ha wo mo enu nti meka se de omo hye eye Ghana Revenue Authority say wo mo hye no mo mani nko ho na fei abreni dombia no omudwumadi omudie nu so no wo mo fantu omutirimu say wo mo nkonko gina kwa ho afei ye hu se bia fangu bi aso atrata na bia wode nam kwan so a oma che ne ne wo se wonye enkrata semu ba aban ena wo hye eye yewura doctor Kesel atofo sen ano eche ne se won fa enkrata we mfa mameto eye wo mo a wo mo so afango cooking oil edene nam eye opo kwantempon so se finary koyi eposo ena sa ne mani nyina eba befa
ene na ye de asase na enya nwam ene nte ba se ye nsu ahodo no de ye betitititim na ye yiyi enu ye betime de nkwanhia ba afiri mu no ne nyina kwan ba befa so ente sɛ tie bia fra sutade no ɛbɛyɛ adwuma paa shape bɛfa so ama yɛyie na ɛne saa no Ghana ene Burkina na ano de esi sɛ wo nneɛma hwegu a ɛna ɛho ne hyehyɛ sɛ Ghana ne Burkina Faso yakɔnte ase apam mu ama yɛwura kudyo tablo kwa so afo a wɔno ne hwɛ amana ne ho nsɛm so wɔne prime minister ya wo Burkina Faso ene wo mo foreign minister nyina kɔtena pono ho ya ɛsɛ wo mo de wɔn sa hyɛ nte ase apam ase na wo mo nya adagye hwehwɛ apam maako nson ya ɛno ɛna wo mo gyina so de di kan yɛ sɛ de na Ghana adrafo wo mo firi hai ekɔ Burkina wo mo driving license no adama wo betimi ehunu na fe wo mo atimi agye atum ehunu ne sɛ de enema esi etie no saada na Ghana de etie ne saa wo ne Burkina edika so bom eyeyi ewie nso a sɛ wo mo kuta webel sɛ ne ebi agya wo ma befa enema firi ha de kɔ yenya de kyerɛ sɛ o yɛtwa webel ne deda enya afi na yɛsan ba bɛyɛ ne foforo enti ase apam ne de ɛwɔ mbi no ɛno akyi no ɛba yɛ ahye so a sɛ mpo obi bɛto ne bɔda mu a gye wɔbɔ ne yɔnko amaneɛ ansa na wɔbɛsɛ watimi atom ɛno nso ɛka ho wei nyinaa wɔkan no bra no ɛba bambɔ ho nkomodie bɛkɔ so na yɛahyehyɛ yɛ nneɛma yɛ no wɔn nso ahyehyɛ wɔn deɛ kyimateɛ bi bɛbaabi ne yɛhunu a if you see something you say something ni abo wo mama ne sa na wo mo nso hu se bibi koto ye dan achi ni ye hunu ye a wo mo ntia ye na so we nyina achi no sa ntia ase apam a afanu apam no ebeboa ama ye dwadie no asa ayire bio ayonkofa ye wo firi tetentere de no yetimi akagya na som na enema atotoye ewie ye no na wo mo sanso akyese afe eba atore nkyem a etimi to ye mbre kwa ye nka bi nhyiemu se na ye bambom ana baabia te sɛ wo mu bie bagredama na etwifa yɛ nsuyi ne nyina da yakɔnte ase apam na ansa na wo mbebie kura na ho nkɔmɔ ɛbɛba ma yɛahyehyɛ yɛ nneɛma yie ansa na we nyina no wɔ se yɛbɛsan so aka bom na fe enubɔne hu dwadie yɛtwa abaahwe ano ɛne abɔnefo sɛm a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ yɛmpɔtam empɔtamu abusua wayɛ ne mienu nyina sɛ wunya nyɛyɛ no wayɛ baako a aka baako fa ka ho ansa wada fa Pepsodent no fa no twusen enti wo de ebro so no kura Pepsodent wo bi enti wo kwa apos ne dɔso sɛ bɛyɛ na wobenya ahoɔden papa na ayɛ ka no na de Ghana Dental Association agye wo matom wo mo de ne bɛyɛ adwuma na wobenya oral hygiene no na akasa gu obi so a obuso sɛ wo sesen wasan pa tie bi wantwene ti ankɔ akyiri no Pepsodent do the two twina no pa na twini anwumre wo kan yɛn ho ɛna yɛde nsa ne ba yɛte na fe yɛsi na wɔtwe nyinaa mu
abusua yɛmbonwura ɛyɛ na wɔtwe mu na yɛmfi ase yɛmfamfiri ɛyɛ da no dwoadam ɛdwoada no ɛna His Excellency Yewura John Dramani Mahama de atodwo akyerɛ mu sɛ sɛsi a yɛkasa yi sɛ ɔman ne betimi apem akɔso ama nnwumadi ahoro ne bebre na ɛwɔ n'ani so sɛ obetimi ahyehyɛ ama na ba mu agye sɛ nkabom wɔse nkabom yade ebetimi aboa paa wɔde nsɛm kɔto dwa ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Addis Ababa dwumadi bia na ɛkɔso 39th Assembly of Heads of States and Governments of Africans ɛna kyɛ sɛ ɔmo nyinaa kokotwa hyia ya amampanifuo twotwo wuro a ɔmo wɔ ɛyɛ ebibremu anum sɛyi ɛna wɔde nsɛm yi ɛde kɔkɔto dwa sɛyi
National Reparations Commissions, advanced continental legal frameworks on cultural, economic, and financial reparation, and other measures. Reparatory justice will not be handed over to us like political independence. It must be asserted, it must be pursued, and secured through determination and unity. The decision to adopt a decade of reparations marks a strategic shift from a time-bound observance to a sustained global commitment. Mr. Chairman, the draft UN resolution titled Declaration of the Trafficking on Enslaved Africans and Radicalized Racial Chattel enslavement of Africans as a greater crime against humanity is going to be moved by Ghana on the floor of the General Assembly on March 25th this year. The resolution has been submitted to this assembly for endorsement in order that Africa speaks with one voice on that global platform. And I'm pleased to announce that several CARICOM countries and other our allies have endorsed this resolution. And so
His Excellency John Kwame Dramani Mahama na busua yetinini
na wei ena otwere mu dwoada saa dwoada kro na ena owura Eric Ajay wono ana ye chief executive officer Edema National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program NEPO na esquire ka ne den ho won na de to so se de asie kokwa akuafo ho no enye se ye obi ade wo mo nkafra wo mo nyina ye akuafo no bia nanso enye Ghana ne firi ba bi efiri ba no emuso nanso akuafo nka wakomanto yam se tie bia se sia na ehye enkodura nwumre na ayeboko.
I can assure you that the demonstrators, we know who they are. We know who they are.
And then I hear me comments, maybe can pass here. Although say encore for air attack me maybe I can but Osha we who position on this matter. And when you make then I buy. But before ansana I be ban okra no you mubi mo. Na you say decision I buy no be to abontini. The AC no enye obi ade. Although say ebiana me information ansana e ba abontini there but na decision because when I say it affected pa oko micro suma nkra me na na ba ko friend job e maybe a dwom ko na me na intimate koko be $1,000 nti the advance koko no kra na ewu I want to cross over 100 so we are highly affected me ma me ankasa o me marry she's a koko farmer my family almost 90% omi na farmers
enti ekuyafo nka wakoma nto yam enya bo apayo wo mu nyina ye ekuyafo no bi enti saa hawo ya abe no eka won so nanso empaye ne yebo se enema betimi asesa na nhyehyɛ ya mampani ne na pamfode agu fom no ebeboa ama ekuyafo ho adwo
Kandidi a oda wosono amanyoko no ano eye yewra Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Baumia na wode atodwa akyeremu se babia sese MPP osono amanyoko botaya womu akwakoye aduru no eye nkabom se omu benya mu nyina mu akamu abom se praye ba komuma na ombetimi atoto bibia ma na koso a eje se bonifache enso ka ho bie entu obesere metiu makao ni nyina ne afansi nchen na ye hwe kwan ye betimi afaso a ye beboa mankunumdie etimi abre eye omo party no enumu ana ode nsam yi ekokoto dwa ebra wo bodwa trada na wodaga na fo ase ni titiri ni party ma ewoda no abato a omokoto yenimu.
On this day, as we celebrate and give thanks together, I want to ask all of us from the bottom of my heart to forgive each other for some of the unpalatable things we may have said against one another during this election cycle. I have been encouraged by the efforts I have seen many of you make to reach out to your brothers and sisters after the election. And though I know the exercise of healing isn't completed yet, I believe we have started well, and I commend all patriots for the steps taken so far.
Ebra wakasa wiye no na wasanso di tudwa chemu se wojedi pasa MPP May adwuma no betimi aye enkunumdie betimi aye omodea 2028 interne wo mo hwe no mo nye no a eno omobotaye kese.
What we have to do is to deepen our concentration on what we have in common and put less emphasis on what we differ on. The road ahead will demand discipline, sacrifice, and hard work. Victory in 2028 will not be gifted to us. It must be earned constituency by constituency, household by household, with humility and purpose.
Na ebra Ghana mampani dada abedi achire Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Baumia ekasa wiye no ena wasahene a wo mra hyebedwafie domkuma ba no dani Ilewra Alexander Fenyomakin wodi tudwa chemu se wobesre ahunhuna chese binmu di ura party mu no edoso.
Colleagues, they will try and divide us and come with all manner of arrest every now and then. When their back is against the wall, they will come out with arrest. Please, we are politicians, na chiwa and ya boni. Yenjira printing chair Dr. Baumieji and win power 2028. Don't let them intimidate you with arrest.
Wei wasahene Yera Alexander Afenyoma Kingdom kuma ba no dani anabusua yetenene no.
Na enese wo kasa ehunahuna ma obia nsuro nti wo ye manyoni na NPP ni na wote se posifo e ba so BNI fo efrew ana yeko efrew a emohu kona koyiyi won sama no na saasemi ho enese wonse ma ye mohu ambulance service ni wono so amohu esanse nkwanhye okohyiae ewo otima ntemu a na nka etwetwe aso na saa bre no enya ambulance mu na ote wono kura kwa akosara na busuafo nanso wotimi etigina ya woje ba konkwa no na obi ebo na baso wowura amafo na saa baso bo ni ebo wono no woye obi a woye adwuma e ambulance service ho e nkwanta afa ho pasa na odi na dwuma na yentie ne nsɛm a wode tu dwabra wokoje de na nka woje na ewu na wonya nkwan
na me motorbike bi echi nti ni be traffic to ni kakra no na me hu sɛ motor collision ya koso eyi motor mienu ba ko si kiche bi side wa ba na ba ko nso feed up ayi to poni ho eko kiche bi nti o mu di be bomu nti ni kodu ho no na enkonfo gina ho na ayarifo no nso mu manya dead victims nso mu de da ho a esi omu humie no etu atititi amoja eni ekuru agugu omu hu nti eye sa no na me si motorbike no so na me call mu nche me de kan kwa asesi omu force ni share na chesi ayi omu humie no na emma nti aja with experience manya eti ni CPR nti ni CPR
enti eba sa no nimdie ne suahunu a wanya no ene wode yes adwuma no nti no wonkuta bibia akora ewie no wobeche se akade no a womudidi dwuma no se yeye na ebi ben ho a nka otimegi wo mienu nyina nkwa
Mr. Susu Bisa, because one say about for the CPR no me do. Into the one ko check, na ko check, na ko check. Into kan visit the anti no ana me say kona. Ika ni initiative CPR na nka obi so e man frama. Ika wi ani akọ so che ba me kwan so no ma ye me ambe banka bi susu say into no ana me fan so kwa obi ana nka oni ni na bitini survive.
Ora Daniel Mafo, we senior emergency medical technician. Semt, ewo ambulance adwumakunum. Pasa ye won kwanta eho na odi ne dwuma.
Na dano brada na central phone share mu bi ekoso ewo eya santimantem. Na wenu na ye motor traffic and transport department MTTD for na ye central phone share mu yin. Openi a wakasa ye ASP Awudu Abdul Razak. Waye Central Police Command MTTD accident unit ho. Eno di to dwache mi se na sentem ni ho no ma beti win sarin ene ba bi obefa bia sarin sa wo se ekọ na kokọ basa eyade a eha wo mu nyuma wo mu di ewo monten emu afutuo ni nenti a oka asa no o kirem.
Yes, the big men, they normally make this. You arrest him, and he will know that yes, you have arrested him. But you'll be there, a call will come. You can't. How about are you going to say you will not listen to the person? You can say that they will not mind you. They will not take any action now, whereby you think maybe because of what they told you and you refuse to listen to them or to comply with their decision. That is why they will wait. You will forget. I told him. One of my examples. I arrested a chief. Sent him to the office. He told me I've disgraced him. He would transfer me, and I was not surprised. 3 days, 4 days, I was sent to a village called Chichibure.
ASP Awudu Abdul Razak. Wano ena waya Central Police Command MTTD accident unit waya Sante Mantem.
Na benadano a ena mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama edebeto so se saa kokoo obuo no a wiase nyina eso ate ena moso ama Ghana 36 million na kane ne wo mode ma no ahwan aba bedu 25 million no wei eye bra ye niam ahwagu wo se yetimi fa saa kwanya so ne yetimi ehhehye ne yie eno de odito ye ne muni.
I want to thank Nanakubusi and refer to my own tree crop farm. Nanakubusi gave me 50 acres of land, and I planted cocoa on the 50 acres. So I'm a cocoa farmer, and so when the price was reduced by government, it affects me too. I want to be able to empathize with farmers so that when we take any policy decision, we know that it has an effect on farmers, and we feel it ourselves. If there's no fertilizer, the price of fertilizer is expensive. I feel it myself because I also buy fertilizer.
Ghana mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama bra woni akuafo kasa edabna da no na wo chese won ankasa e kokokuyeni ndi sade moto fatrasa no se yamfa mremokwa eka no ebo ya yeso atie no na na wisi man no 50 acres wodi dua koko no e ka ne bi nanso ni nyina na monkafra wei eye kwanya ebema yetimi ahyehye ne mayi
na dano wukuada no ena mampani esanso esi ni ketem ekopiem ewe yetakrade eho ena odi nsem bi kotudwa na eye 2026 local content submit ekoso na enumu na odi tudwa temu se ekwan bia ombetimi abo mohomodin ahwe ako ede etia efem agudi ene ase yensase nyina no eyade ombehwe no ma ye ni titiriu anamontu ombetimi afaso a ombetu aboa atete yensuo mu wose sa anamontu yi enye ono kwa ne monebo ana betimi aye ewoso mamu ni nyina eka ho bi na omoboa.
The government cannot achieve this transformation alone. To Ghanaian entrepreneurs, the bar for quality and innovation is high, but the opportunity is unprecedented, and so you must prepare, you must build partnerships, and you must compete. To our international investors, Ghana offers you stability, policy clarity, and long-term partnerships. But we expect genuine collaboration that embeds capacity within our economy. To the regulators and policymakers, enforcement must be consistent, transparent, and fair. What will be the legacy of our mineral wealth 100 years from now? If we get this right, our greatest export will not be raw gold, raw bauxite, raw manganese ores, or lithium. Our greatest export will be Ghanaian talent, Ghanaian technology, Ghanaian enterprise, and a resilient and competitive mining economy.
His Excellency Yera John Dramani Mahama na abusua yete se odi nsemi ekotudwa ewo takrade.
Na bra wo dwene man no ho a wonam takrade no na so no ma no so obo aboso se won betimi asani sane ne niemam na 2028 won be fa Ghana konwa na ba bedi so na wo masom Ghana som papa na sankomo yi no chochofo edema wosona manyoko ne owura Justin Kodua Frempon wo de to so chase nyame de kyenya ebobo so me de to so dadu na nwotwe ekosi dadu no wosono ma ebekọ akoto aba ayi wo mo akandifo na sadi osisi no nie.
It starts with opening and closing of nominations for polling station elections, which shall be between 20th to 24th April 2026. Vetting for polling station aspirants will be from 25th to 30th April 2026. Appeals will be from 1st to 4th May 2026. The notice of poll, the nomination fee, anyone who wants to contest at the polling station election shall pay 10 Ghana cedis. 10 Ghana cedis for the forms.
Eno ewura Justin Kodua Frempon wosona manyoko wa mo chorochorofo.
Na dano ukwada no mra shebede fie honomo soofo be de kira wono anohwe yen inwuma kuya yensam so ena afenso no emu paadie Yera Samson ahi no wokasa de atodwa kyeremu se yehwe ene koko hu nsem a obi asode ana oka koko hu asem obi aso ana tenetene ne sa kira ban wo se abanda de twemu yi ena se koko nwuma impo anene omobetu su yi.
Anytime body work price goes up higher than Ghana's price, we will not even hear farmers calling on government to come and buy their cocoa because they will smoke the cocoa. Mr. Speaker, we find ourselves in this situation because under the watch of the previous administration, they took a facility from African Development Bank to undertake cocoa rehabilitation. They dedicated $350 million to rehabilitate 156,000 hectares. Mr. Speaker, do you know that the amount, $350 million was spent, and instead of rehabilitating a cocoa to the tune of 156,000 hectares, they did only 40,000 hectares. Mr. Speaker, you took a facility, $350 million to rehabilitate 156,000 hectares.
Abusunya Yera Samson ahi wono ena waye soafo abedi akira woda yenwuma kuayo ena afenso no eye yefi ni nwuma ahoro e wo Ghana hanum sei ana abusunya yete nini
na bra wokasa wie no wobadwafie ho a eba donkuma no mu a Yera Dominic Nitiu wono ana ye bimbilamra sebedwani wono nso kane na we soafo a wo hwe ye bambo ho nsam so no wode beto se de esi wo Burkina kwamu ho tetaw no we eya ade asenka defense minister wo ho a anka sa de wo yinsi anka anya hwe intelligence no won mo hu ne ntam kura ansa na attack na eba.
They've come out officially with some statement, but we want detailed explanation, either by the foreign minister or by the defense minister. And that's why I keep on calling that the president should have appointed a defense minister, because by this time the minister for defense should have been on the flight to Burkina with his team. This is not a job of the interior minister. He's my friend. Unfortunately, that's not a job. If he goes there, he'll go and meet the defense minister. If the soldiers who are fighting the terrorists, it's not the interior minister's job. And unfortunately, the interior minister's job ends at Paga, the border. Doesn't go beyond the border.
Any awuti ye ewura Dominic Nitiu. Wonna ye bimbila mra sebedwani. Kane bambo so afo no. Ewie no wose ne asie no aban enso wo mo a epirepire ni nyina asene ne mpo wonu ewu ye no kura anka wo mo ayiyo ho kakra no wonfa ne no so sade wosi de to so ne.
We must all support them, and I think government should support them in whichever way the government can support them. The hospital bills, their supporting business, whatever type of support that they need to support them, airlifting them, giving them good funerals, supporting them funerals. Government should do it. I think so, because this is the
way da wadana ena yewra Dominic Nitiu wode boso ya sa yawi obi esu omrase badwafie na nso ne nyina mu no mempene ne dom akwa sa ya afo no a won ma hye sampa wo mobile ne nyina abanyafa
na soafo no ena woda yen amamre ene afensu no ekwan e betimi afaso a ene ye nwumadi awro ni bebre na e betimi die obi beka no chieftaincy and religious affairs Yera Ahmed Ibrahim na woka se wode atudwa na wochi mu kire se ye hwe ensode e wo Ghana han mu se ya enye nsoreba enkra hanko a ensoreba ye empimienu ti ye eye soafo a wono ena wo hwe ye chieftaincy and religious affairs Yera Ahmed Ibrahim ne Ghana yeti ye no
afe ya wadana no mrase badwafie ho donkuma ba no deni owura Alexander Afenyomake wasan de bito so ene wo che se ye ka security bill ankasa atonsum e wo manyimu esan se tumi ni nyina kwakwahye mampani se ono defense minister kro ono na edie na bra wo bobo sansemi so no na yewura muntaka nso ne hene pagya ne nani nkrenchi no na asore so de gina pa na nsamo a yewura Afenyo e de to so a ekofrefre yewura muntaka ba no de yintie no mra.
It appears that this bill is more founded on partisan political interest than a national security interest for good governance. What is being proposed? So much power is being given to the coordinator. It is not clear how his powers are going to be fettered. Mr. Speaker, my submission is that if you give such powers to the coordinator and you do not provide for a clear path of responsibility, accountability, and oversight, it becomes problematic to you yourself as a government. There will be the need for the minister to sit with us as a house, do further winnowing, and incorporate the major concerns raised by the minority on this floor.
And was a soafo no eba ne won betenase na afi nsam no wo mu huhu so ehu de na wakanwe ya na ewura muntaka se obi nima obi kire ena sabi de amone danta no on enim ba bia ne tokwada eba bambosem mu a sade yewura Afenyomake waka ma ne kwakoya asem huhu abonte no wonya adaje se wode ne beko school
for 20 in the act 1030 was the role of the minister for national security. If you worked or if you've gotten anybody that have worked in the space, it will tell you that if you are not careful, you create conflict between a detailed ministerial role and the function of the national security coordinator, because he's supposed to coordinate all the activities within the space. And if you assign or leave a ministry called Ministry of National Security, that largely is supposed to play an oversight. And if you are not careful, they begin to conflict and they begin to have misunderstanding, and that affects the security architecture that we have in the country.
Eni a wuti ye yewura Muntaka Mubarak wono ne soafo a wo hwe afisem so eda ya wada na wo ka asemi obadwafi ho breko a na wotua yewura Afenyomake ne nsem no eso eka abusua ya didio udidi adidi emu edru just hot kinky eno na yabo na 3 Ghana cedis edi matufo nanso wayie no ayefro no ana efie ho a modo so se no mobetimi akọ tu na fe mode aba besi fie no mo ache dia mobenya hoden papapa we yellow corn ene ye de ayo na me se eye nkwa so bonten ye de no wo ente ye papa do me munya oda utimi enonom wi abanche de wonu atene se dabeko honam yawo aduru etu ase time heba mixture unonom ne se wi a unwe so to wo efa ahona yare ama so eno ye time heba mixture ya busa se de ntina ma na tu aguso esan se eye siesie won ene nti bema wonso me nsiesie obi na wo mubu a watumi ehia 0244 417 669 na enam se ye kase ebo no time da so nti midimafo heba center Dr. Tam da so da no won the time no atoye nso yade enhye ho bia ma onko yira yade no ma opoku ase mayira ana wongogo no na wantumi ansore antena wo so bio ewa abu akwa agogo abansuku nu nso animu wokan ye ho na nwumire yade nsa neba ye dan ye ho age aboju nso bi anom tiawa ye ba ya ye bekwa akọwie no edafiadem
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo heba clinic aba Accra. Anu ewunti ye, passengers egumi kai mu yi. Ehwa na dodo na ekro. Ene sa Accra ne potem ye demo. Ani ye demo ampa. Be se de edutwam Atlantic International University, America memu. Abo Dr. Edujamfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, ayaresa no, aye more. Oh, misi minim wife ye kopa wo. Wani ye 1 cedi. Nyinse ni beto mu ansa na ye TS ka no. Misu mi connection na ensheda nkoye na esakakra. Ti say wa page mu amahodiam bam. Connection ne mu de we. Obo wo di ba de kro. Wa ba do kro wo di ba de kro ye ke. Stroke nso de. Wo fa no small. Chese agidi wa wu ani de asie no. Yare bia etatia e wo Dr. Tam da so endi so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yare bia. Kumasi say owo agogo opposite government school no. Ana nkra hanso obepiem e wo Pokuase Mayira kwan no so. Fra doctor 0244 774 282.
And 0500-727215.
Midimafo Herbal Clinic. Wudimafo ne hwa.
Yeah! She was saying, get a Pepsodent charcoal toothpaste.
TV Emma Aketiapa.
Abusuya me yemfasi da PSC nkonfama wo se wanya brama yakope breso bi ede afa ye minimu Sompa 106.5 ena waso enu weni eguso a wo hwe no na yemonwura da no fiademu e Ghana mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nyame ya adoma ede fiade ye wo ye nimu yi oba bepie mu omrahye bedefie na eno enam so amadom kese ba no dani yera Mahama yarega osihu bi ede kire mrahye bedefie nsam odi tudwa no so no ebini.
A message on the state of the nation on Friday, 27 February 2026 at 10 a.m. in accordance with Article 67 of the Constitution. In line with the convention of the House, honorable members are urged to be punctual and seated in the chamber by 9:15 a.m. as it is inappropriate for members to enter or exit the chamber after His Excellency the President has entered the House to deliver his address. The Speaker, in view of the President's address on Friday, the House will sit at 10 a.m. on Thursday, 26 February 2026 to enable the House adjourn early in preparation for the address. Pay attention. The President is coming on Friday in the morning. Normally, the place has to be prepared for the President. If we sit in the afternoon at 2, by the time we leave the chamber, it will be difficult for the clerks and his team to prepare the place for the President's visit on Friday.
Enia yeti ye aye dom kese ba no dani yera Mahama ayarega no de nsam yi etu dwada no fiada no.
Yera Mahama ayarega wonyare o. Nanso ebinom yare pa. Bra wo ka sa asemi nyina no na atifi atwa ya fa ho wo mo che se asoti asokon CSM yare no agentre ha pa wo mpotem ho ma se nipa num kura na mano a wo moti nananom wo nsedo enansa ya so ema pani kwankyerefo a wo no ene da pomuden ano e wo mpotem ho Dr. Samuel Kaba akore ya e kyerɛkyerɛ mu e de kyerɛ Sompa nsɛnkyerɛfo
distributed the necessary medications needed to treat disease of this nature, and the hospitals are well equipped to take care of any case. Over the years, we've noticed that anytime they start with the meningitis, what happens is those who die is simply because they get the hospital late. But the majority of the people survive, and we want no death. So the first thing we're trying to do is to make sure that the information goes out there, and we see the seriousness with which we want to tackle this issue.
Dr. Samuel Kaba akoreya wono ena akọ srementifin na toya fam ho a woye pani kwankyerefo a woda apomuden ano ena wo kyese CSM so ti so kon yare no atweneti wo mpotem ho nipa num ekura ti nananom wo nsedo ne se hunti aboa ne ti unua so a ye ka ne se sore yen so ne mom enye sore ne so ho afutuo ena wode ma abusua eno